Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Here are some common English phrases and announcements that flight attendants use during a flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Flight with Service 2. Please stow your carry-on luggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your tray table is up, and your seat is in its upright position.
We are about to begin our final preparations for departure. Please take your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Please turn off all electronic devices or switch them to airplane mode at this time. If you need assistance, please let a flight attendant know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to take a few moments to go over the safety features of this aircraft. There are 6 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 at the front, 2 over the wings, and 2 at the rear. In the event of a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down from the overhead compartments.
We will be starting our in-flight service shortly. We offer a selection of beverages and snacks for purchase. For those of you seated in the premium cabin, we will begin your meal service shortly. If you require any assistance or have any special requests, please do not hesitate to ask.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign due to turbulence. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. We have begun our descent into. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and your seat is in the upright position. Please turn off and stow all electronic devices. Larger items should be placed in the overhead bins. We will be landing shortly. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to. The local time is, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. On behalf of and the entire crew, thank you for flying with us. We hope to see you again soon.